Grade 10, Chapter 1, Real Numbers, Exercise 1.2, page number 11 of your mathematics textbook. Question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So here is the pair of integers given, 26 and 91. We have to find the LCM and HCF of 26 and 91 and then verify LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. First let us factorize 26. 2 13s are 26, 13 1s are 13. So the prime factors of 26 are 2 and 13. Next, let us factorize 91. So here we get 13 7s are 91, 7 1s are 7. So the prime products of 91 are 7 into 13. Next, let us find the LCM. So LCM will be equal to 2 into 7 into 13, which will be equal to 182. Next is the HCF. So HCF is 13. Now next let us verify whether LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So let us write LCM of 26 and 91 into HCF of 26 and 91 is equal to 26 into 91. Now, what is the LCM of 26 and 91, students? It is 182 into HCF of 26 and 91 is 13 is equal to 26 into 91. So the product of 182 into 13 will be 2366, and also the product of 26 into 91 is also 2366. So we have verified that the LCM of 26 and 91 into HCF of 26 and 91 will be equal to the product of their two numbers. Is this clear, students? Question number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the integers by applying the prime factorization method. So the integers given are 12, 15 and 21. So we have to find the LCM and HCF of these integers by applying the prime factorization method. First let us factorize 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So the prime products of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3, which will be equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3. Next let us factorize 15. So 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So the prime products of 15 are 3 and 5. Next let us factorize 21. So 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So the prime products of 21 are 3 and 7. Now let us find the LCM. So LCM will be 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So this will be equal to 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. So which will be equal to 4 3s are 12, 5 7s are 30, 5. So 12 into 35 gives 420. So therefore LCM of 12, 15 and 21 is 420. Next let us find the HCF. So HCF is nothing but it is the smallest power of each common factor. So here the common factor is 3 and its smallest power is 1. So the HCF of 12, 15 and 21 is 3. Thank you, students.